What causes a black screen in PS4 VR and how to fix it?
Hello, video gaming enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle an issue that some PlayStation VR users may encounter, the black screen problem. We'll discuss the potential causes and how to troubleshoot and resolve it. Let's get started.
What causes a black screen in PS4 VR?
The black screen issue in PS4 VR could be due to various factors. Here are the three main culprits. 1. Faulty HDMI connections. In many cases, an improper HDMI connection between your PlayStation 4, PS4 VR, and television could be the reason behind the black screen. 2. Software glitches. Sometimes, software issues on the PlayStation 4 itself can cause this problem. It could be an outdated system software or some errors during its operation. 3. Hardware issues. If your PlayStation VR device is damaged or malfunctioning, it could result in a black screen.
How to fix the black screen issue?
Now, let's look at the steps to troubleshoot and resolve the black screen issue in PS4 VR. Step 1. Check HDMI connections. Make sure all HDMI cables are correctly connected. The PS4 should be connected to the PSVR's processing unit, and then to your TV. If you are unsure, refer to the PlayStation VR Quick Start Guide for the correct setup. Step 2. Try a different HDMI cable. If the connections are correct but the problem persists, the HDMI cable could be faulty. Try using a different HDMI cable and see if it resolves the issue. Step 3. Update your PS4 software. Ensure that your PS4 system software is up to date. An outdated software can sometimes cause issues with your PSVR. To do this, go to Settings, System Software Update on your PS4 and follow the instructions to update the software. Step 4. Restart your PS4 and PSVR. If the above steps didn't work, try restarting both your PS4 and the PSVR. Sometimes a simple restart can solve many technical issues. Step 5. Contact Sony support. If the black screen issue persists after trying the above steps, it may indicate a hardware issue with your PSVR. In such a case, it's best to contact Sony's customer service for further assistance. And there you have it. We've looked at the potential causes of the black screen issue in PS4 VR and the steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve it. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions work best, so always start by checking your connections and ensuring your system software is up to date. Happy gaming!